Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis last week several times, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And today's a little tricky from a presentation standpoint because there's basically two ways to look at this. You can look at this today just individually, so just today isolated and that's it, or you can look at it from multiple days. So looking at it today isolated, not a good day. In fact, this is what we would call a gap and trap. I mean, the price closed here, it gapped up there and opened, and then from there it just pulled back. So yes, today individually, not a very good day at all. However, looking at multiple days, everything is still perfectly fine. And the best way to really illustrate that is let me squeeze down the chart. And you can see that again, yes, there's nobody denying the fact that, yeah, a little disappointing because with the price gapped up, and then after the gap up, the price fell. But you still look at where this current sideways price movement is going. So the overall sideways price movement, then you look at the last time it was going sideways. Then you look at the last time there was some sideways price movement, last time there was some sideways price movement, last time there was some sideways price movement. And hopefully you kind of get what I'm getting at here is that, yeah, it's just still once again going sideways today. But you look at where all the other previous times it went sideways, and you can see these periods just keep getting higher and higher. And that's how those uptrends are constructed. So that is why it's I could see some people looking at this as bearish, meaning if you were some sort of day trader and you bought right up here on the gap up and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, yeah, I could see today the chart looking very bearish for you. But assuming you care about more than just a day and you're not some sort of short-term day trader, then yeah, disappointing day, but looking at multiple days, everything is still perfectly fine. And as long as the price, remains in this upwards channel, that's what you want to see. And right now, as I've talked about in past videos, the lower portion of this channel, right down there around 262, which wasn't even tested today. So even from kind of looking at that in and of itself, a nice little mini sign of strength at the level of support, didn't even get tested. I would definitely agree that this level of resistance up here got weakened up, but still the price managed to close below it. So 272 will still be public enemy number one going forward. So again, today, yeah, a rough day. Looking at multiple days, everything is still perfectly fine. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.